Managing vacancies can be a challenge for landlords, but with the right strategies, you can minimize downtime and maximize your return on investment. Let's dive into some tips to help you effectively manage vacancies and keep your rental properties profitable. First and foremost, it's essential to market your vacant units effectively. Take high-quality photos and write compelling descriptions to showcase your property's features and attract potential tenants. Utilize online listing platforms, social media, and local advertising to reach a wide audience of prospective renters. Once you've generated interest in your property, streamline the application and screening process to find qualified tenants quickly. Clearly outline your rental criteria and requirements upfront to help applicants self-select and avoid wasting time on unqualified candidates. Conduct thorough background and credit checks to ensure that potential tenants have a history of responsible rental behavior. When it comes to pricing your rental units, be competitive but realistic. Conduct market research to determine the appropriate rental rates for similar properties in your area. Consider offering incentives such as move-in specials or flexible lease terms to attract tenants and fill vacancies more quickly. Once you've found a qualified tenant, it's crucial to maintain open lines of communication and provide excellent customer service. Address any maintenance issues promptly and professionally to ensure that your tenants feel valued and satisfied. Building positive relationships with your tenants can lead to longer lease terms and reduce turnover in the long run. In the event of a vacancy, act quickly to prepare the unit for re-rental. Schedule cleaning and repairs promptly to minimize downtime between tenants. Consider investing in upgrades or renovations to attract higher quality tenants and command higher rental rates. Also consider working with a property management company to help you streamline the rental process and maximize your investment returns. A professional property manager can handle everything from marketing and leasing to maintenance and rent collection, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business. Now let's delve deeper into some proactive strategies for minimizing vacancies and maximizing your rental income. One effective approach is to offer lease renewal incentives to existing tenants. Consider offering a discount on rent or other perks to encourage tenants to renew their lease for another term. This not only helps reduce turnover, but also creates tenant loyalty and satisfaction. Additionally, consider implementing a rent increase policy that reflects market trends and the value of your property. Incremental rent increases over time can help you maintain competitive rental rates and maximize your rental income without alienating tenants. Another crucial aspect of vacancy management is conducting regular property inspections. By proactively identifying and addressing maintenance issues, you can prevent small problems from escalating into larger, more costly repairs. Regular inspections also provide an opportunity to assess the condition of your property and make any necessary improvements to attract and retain tenants. To attract potential tenants during vacancies, consider offering virtual tours or video walkthroughs of your rental units. In today's digital age, many prospective tenants prefer to view properties online before scheduling an in-person showing. Providing virtual tours can help generate interest and attract qualified applicants, ultimately reducing the time your property remains vacant. Finally, consider diversifying your rental portfolio to minimize the impact of vacancies on your overall income. Investing in multiple properties across different locations and property types can help spread risk and ensure a more consistent cash flow, even during periods of vacancy. By implementing these proactive strategies, you can effectively manage vacancies and maximize your rental income, ensuring the long-term success of your investment properties. Thanks for tuning in. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights on property management and real estate investing. And remember, if you're ready to sell your property quickly and hassle-free, we buy houses in any condition. Reach out to us today for a fair cash offer.